So good morning students. After completion of properties of colloidal solutions, okay. So properties mainly two types. One is colligative properties. Second one is chemical properties. Okay, chemical properties and the colligative properties. So in colligative properties, mainly Tyndall effect is important, and also Brownian momentum. So in chemical properties, electrophoresis and the coagulation process are important. After completion of properties of colloidal solutions, then next topic is emulsion. What is a emulsion? So what is emulsion? Generally, emulsion is a mixture of two liquids. Mixture of two liquids. So in these two liquids, one is liquid droplets, another one is water. So liquid droplets means it is liquid. Water also what is a liquid. So emulsion consists of two liquids. What is it? Two liquids. So simply its definition is dispersion of liquid droplets. What is the dispersion of liquid droplets in another liquid? Another liquid dispersion medium. So it is a dispersion phase. It is the dispersion medium. It means simply dispersed phase and dispersion medium both are liquids. Both are liquids is called emulsion. So dispersion of liquid droplets in another liquid dispersion medium is called what is an emulsion. What is an emulsion? So actually in emulsion generally the emulsion consists of two components. What is it? Two components. So one is one liquid. Two generally emulsion consists of two components. These two components are belong to liquids. These two components are belong to liquids. So now first liquid or one liquid is water. That is one liquid is water. Other liquid is immiscible with water. Other liquid is immiscible with water. Simply it is considered as oil. It is considered as oil. Immiscible with water droplet is considered as oil. So simply in emulsion, one liquid is water, another liquid is oil. One liquid is water, another liquid is water. So in some solutions, it is a dispersed phase, it is a dispersion medium. Or it is a dispersion medium or it is a dispersed phase. So both are liquids. So now it's a water, one liquid, oil is another liquid. So water is taken in oil or oil is taken in water. Both are taken, shake well, shake thoroughly, shake well or shake thoroughly. So then emulsion is obtained. So then emulsion is obtained when shake well or thoroughly the mixture of oil and water. So then oil and water mixture is shake well or shake thoroughly. Emulsion is prepared. Emulsion is obtained. What is emulsion is obtained? It is the emulsion. So now actually emulsions are broadly classified into two types. Emulsions are broadly classified into two types. So based on nature and the properties of two liquids, nature, okay, nature and properties of two liquids, dispersion phase and dispersion medium, or water or oil. So based on nature and the properties of two liquids, emulsions are classified into two types. One is oil. O means O. O means oil. W means water. Oil in water type of emulsion. Second one is water in oil type of emulsion. Two types of emulsions. Oil in water type of emulsion, water in oil type of emulsions. So these are differ by different phases. Actually, in oil in water type of emulsion, oil is a dispersed phase. What is the oil is a dispersed phase. Water is a dispersion medium. In oil in water type of emulsion. Oil is a dispersed phase, water is a dispersion medium. So second one is oil in water type of emulsion. In this emulsion, water is a dispersed phase, oil is a dispersion medium. Difference: oil in water, water in oil. Oil dispersed phase, oil dispersion medium. Water dispersed medium, water is a dispersed phase. Okay. So now the best examples of oil in water type of emulsions are milk is the best example. What is a milk? Milk is best example. This emulsion, liquid in liquid type. So actually, it is the liquid in liquid type of collide. Liquid in liquid type of collide. Vanishing creams. Vanishing creams. Whipped creams. Vanishing creams are whipped creams are best examples of oil in water type of emulsions. So next second one is examples of water in oil type of emulsions: butter, cold creams, stiff greases, and cod liver oils. These are all the best examples of water in oil type of emulsions. Water in oil type of emulsions. Actually, emulsions are unstable compounds. That is, emulsions are unstable substances because wherein one component, one liquid mixed with another liquid, then on strong heating or freezing, okay, on strong heating or freezing, these are separate out from the mixture of the emulsion. So emulsions are unstable substances. So now these unstable substances are converted into stable substances by the addition of a third substance to the emulsion. Now the added third substance is known as emulsifier or emulsifying agent. So now the what is the function of emulsifier and emulsifying agent? Emulsifier or emulsifying agent is stabilizes the emulsion. What is the stabilizes the emulsion? So after addition of the emulsifier to the emulsion, emulsifier to form a layer out around the emulsion. For example, it is the emulsion. So now addition of emulsifier, so then emulsifier to form a layer around the emulsion. So then now this emulsion is not aggregated, not aggregated. So then it is converted into stable. So now the third substance is added to the emulsion. It stabilizes the emulsion. The stabilizing substance is known as emulsifier or emulsifying agent. So generally, these emulsifiers or emulsifying agents are different with the type of emulsions. So now then we are going to discuss what is emulsifiers or emulsifying agents with respect to oil in water type of emulsions. Oil in water type of emulsions. So what are the emulsifiers? Proteins, gums, casein, silica, and also soap. So actually what is soap? Soap is a sodium or potassium salt of stearate ion. This is sodium salt of sodium stearate or potassium stearate is simply soap. So now proteins, gums, casein. Okay, casein, soap, and silica are the emulsifiers or emulsifying agents of oil in water type of emulsion. Actually, casein and silica, these are the stabilizers the oil in water type of emulsion. So now next one is some examples of emulsifiers or emulsifying agents with respect to water in oil. What is the water in oil? So now examples are heavy metal salts of fatty acids. Heavy metal, what is heavy metal salts of fatty acids, and also what is long chain alcohols. So alcohols with the functional group is OH. So then lamp black. What is the lamp black? These are all the examples of emulsifiers or emulsifying agents with respect to oil in water. So these are the oil. These are the water in oils. These are oil in waters. So now actually in this case, for example, gelatin. What is a gelatin? Gelatin is a emulsifier in creams in water type of emulsion. Gelatin is emulsifier in cream in water type of emulsion. So carbon block is a emulsifier in water in oil type of. What is a water in oil type, like that? It is the lamp black, or what is a carbon black? What is a lamp black, comma? It is a carbon black. So it is emulsifier in water in oil type. Next one is actually milk is best example of the emulsion. So in milk, two components, two liquids. What are two liquids? One is water, another one is fat droplets. What is a fat drop? Actually, water droplets size is small compared to the oil droplets. What is a oil droplets? So oil in water. It is the type of oil in water. Milk is the oil in type of water. Actually, milk consists of natural emulsifier. Natural emulsifier. Milk consists of natural emulsifier or emulsifying agent, that is casein. What is a casein? So casein is the natural emulsifier. It is present in milk. What is a milk? So next one is egg albumin. So egg albumin is an emulsifier in olive oil in water. What is a olive oil in water? So it is oil, olive oil in water. So next one is actually wherein water in benzene, water in benzene, in water in benzene type of emulsion, it is stabilized by the solid mercuric iodine, HgI2. Solid HgI2 is a emulsifier in water in benzene C6H6 type of the emulsion. So next one is soap as a emulsifier. What is the soap as a emulsifier? In kerosene in water. What is kerosene water? So next one is it is emulsifying agent or emulsifier. So now another term is there. What is a de-emulsification? De-emulsification.